Hi everyone, it's Jennifer. Just a real quick video here. I got some happy mail and I wanted to show it to you. So let us take a look. Oh my. I know who it's from, but I'll share it with you. I got a card. So let's take a look. And it's really pretty. And it says, I need my glasses. I hope the light of God's love and His presence in our world shine brighter for you this Christmas. Congratulations on winning a late Christmas present. Hope you have fun creating. Lots of love, Gina. That is from Knitting Turnpike. I won one of her giveaways, and I'm going to show you what I won. And it is absolutely stunning. So this is what I won from Gina at Knitting Turnpike. It is beautiful. I don't know why, but this is showing up blue, but this is purple here. I don't know why it's showing up that way. Oh, there we go. There we go. There you can see the purple. Now you can see the purple. It's purple. But it's like a green to a light blue to a purple. And it is stunning. And look, it's got my filter likes to mess up, but let me show you. It's got, I can get it to show. It's got this little charm thing that you put the yarn through. You feed the yarn through this so that the 4 strands stay together. And then it's got this beautiful stitch marker, which I absolutely love. It's gorgeous, and here's what the tag says. It says, for you, Gina. And here's what the other side says. There's 1,200 meters, or 320 grams. This is a whole lot of yarn, and it is 4 strands, so it's a bunch of strands. I think it's 4 strands. Yeah, it's multiple strands. But you feed it through that little thing. I'm trying to get it to come around so I can actually show it to you. See if I can get it to sit properly. You feed it through this, so you keep all the strands together as you're crocheting or knitting with it. But this is stunning. It is absolute. I'm trying to get it to come out in the proper colors. There's the purple. It's actually more of a vibrant purple. It's very pretty. I absolutely love it. So thank you, Gina. I really appreciate it. This is gorgeous. I can't wait to make a shawl with it. It's going to be one big shawl. I really love it. So thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please stay safe. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to check out Knitting Turnpike. Happy yarning. Bye now.